Let's unbox this sucker. And why not? Everybody loves a good unboxing. And I kind of want to see what's inside of it. I gotta charge these batteries. Let's do it together. So today I went to Best Buy because I looked online. I saw that what I wanted to buy was there, not actually in the store, but I could order it and get it a little bit after Christmas. I went to Best Buy. I asked for it. I said I want to know when you're going to have them in, or can I order one and get it by December 31st or January 1st? And they said, actually, we have one in. Oh, nerdgasm right away. I was like, give it to me. I want it now. This is what I bought. The Mavic Mini. Yes. How fun is this going to be? It's a mini drone. 249 grams, so it comes in under the regulation size for me to have a pilot's license with the FAA in order to fly this thing. Now, those rules might change, but as of now, I get to have fun with this sucker right here. Ye old pig sticker. See if I need it that much. Alright. It's sharp. Meant to destroy anybody who comes in to the house to molest my wife or I. You don't want to mess with this. Alright, let's keep it. Somebody's going to say, I am very unsafe. But I'll say to them, you're right. What's life without a little bit of danger? Okay. Rip off the plastic and the trash. Voila. Watch out. Hit myself in the head with that. Okay. Oh, I need ye old pig sticker again. Voila. Okay. This is open. Let's see. Well, we've got a handy dandy case right here. I like handy dandy cases. And then we have a very light box, very, very light. And then, okay. Something heavy that feels like batteries. I would guess that's the batteries. It's supposed to come with 3 of them in this. Oh, and this is the charger. And now we are empty. So let's see. This has just got to be a power box. Okay, easy. This, on the other hand, yep, it's the batteries. We're supposed to have 3 of these. 3, 1, 2, 3. I don't know why that was so hard. They're like stuck in there like with glue or something, and I don't know why. And then I have this with this little symbol on it, and somebody smarter than I who's watching this video, if anybody's watching it, could tell me, but it's all these directions: quick start guide, accessory users guide, disclaimer and safety guidelines if I run it into my neighbor's head. Not hoping or trying to do that. And then interesting things they've put on here. I actually think it's kind of cool. Oh, wait, we're not even done yet. We're not done opening our little box. And now my floor is littered with stuff. Well, before I get to the really fun part where you unbox the machine, this is how I always do gifts. Start with the small one, the one that you weren't thinking it was the best gift, and then go to the big ones, and the bigger ones, and the bigger ones. When I was a kid, that always meant something cool, until I realized that coats come in boxes, and those are bigger than most toys, and that wasn't as fun. Okay. Or clothes, yeah. Oh, okay. Got these. 2 of these little doohickeys, and I know that's not really what they call them. They're not called doohickeys, but a little bit of lingo. These are actually protectors of the props, so you can protect the props by placing these on them. I don't know. I'm gonna read the instructions, make sure I get it right. And ducking. Aha. Yes. The carrying case, which appears to be pretty cool. It's so small I could fit it into like my backpack when I take it with me on trips. And I love me a good trip, and I like to travel light. So, first thing we have here, this thing, the battery charging port. It's actually very light. I'm sure it's fine, but sometimes I think light means cheap. That's not always the case, but little concern. Okay. Of course, I've heard videos, so my confidence in this is fine. Oh, I didn't show you the inside once I opened it. That was really not a great idea. Okay. So, let's try this. Oh. Okay, I know what these are. These these are cords. Just cords. For a minute I thought they were props, but they're not. They're cords for the charger. And you can actually, I know this because I've watched enough videos on it, you can charge this by just plugging it into the wall. It'll plug in the machine itself, which is pretty cool when you consider what you got, which is a drone. Who would have thought? Plug it into the wall. Of course, I'm new to this, so everybody might be thinking, yeah, no duh. You plug anything into the wall. Okay. This is the controller. And I know, because I've seen, like I said, plenty of videos. Now, I don't know how it works, but I'm going to open it up just like this. And I know the phone, your phone goes here. And of course, these are the antennas. You prop them up. And voila. By the way, little removable knobs on both of these. So that's pretty handy because then you can pack it a little tighter. It won't be stuck, with like, it doesn't fit here. No, you can make it flat. You can put it back into this original shape and pop the little antennae down. And there you got it. Okay. And then
I'm going to guess these were going to come in at some point. Inside of this is extra props because I think they get damaged. They're pretty lightweight. They feel light. They're like, I think if they actually hit you, it probably wouldn't hurt as bad as you might think. But it might hurt bad because it's going to go fast. Things that go fast, they can whip you pretty good. Okay. And here we go. This, look at the size of my hand. I actually have big hands, but this is the Mavic Mini. Let's put it this way. All right, I've got that. Okay, so the Mavic Mini. That's pretty cool. I don't want to mess with it too much yet. I want to read more about it. It's not a cheap product, but it is super light. I mean, super light. Like, similar in weight to the mouse for my computer. Similar in weight. Pretty cool. All right, we're going to test this thing, but that'll be later, and you'll get to see the results of that thing, that test, because that's why I bought it. It's for you guys. For me, have a little fun, but for you guys to see the results.